A sad story. Three American students came for their holidays to New York. They stayed at a hotel in a room on the 54th floor. They spent the whole day in the city. They visited some museums, saw some films in the cinema in Broadway. Late at night, they came back to the hotel. The clerk in the hall said to them, "Dear boys, I'm sorry, but the lifts don't work now. Will you wait till the lifts begin to work, or will you go on foot upstairs?" "That's all right," said one of them. "We'll go on foot. It will take us much time, but we'll have a short rest. One of us will sing a song when we come to the 15th floor. As soon as we come to the 30th floor, one of us will tell a funny story. As soon as we come to the 45th floor, we'll take a long rest, and one of us will tell a long, sad story." So they started. On the 15th floor, John sang a funny song, and the young men gaily continued their way. On the 30th floor, Tom told his friends a funny story. They laughed and continued their way. On the 45th floor, the young men were tired. They wanted to take a long rest. All of them looked at Jack. It was his turn to tell his long, sad story. "Well, boys," said he, "my story won't be long, but it will be really sad. The key to our room is downstairs in the hall. When we came to the hotel, we forgot to take it."